Hello. Today's lesson is Module 6, CLIL 3. Lesson objectives. By the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Learn 6 new words and use them correctly. 2. Identify the main idea to answer one question through reading. 3. Locate details to answer comprehension questions. Now, I need you all to open your student book, page 77, along with your workbook, page 66. Before reading, we need to learn some words that will help us read well. What can you see in this picture? Milk. Bottles of milk. Very good. It's a large amount of milk. Excellent. Let's say the word amount together. Let's read the example. Do you think the amount of milk is enough for our class? Which part of speech do you think this word is? It's a noun. Excellent. Let's move on. Fact. A fact is something real. Where can we study facts? Excellent. In science. In science, we learn many facts, and it is also a noun. Good job. Look at this picture. Where can you find such a drawing? Excellent. In IT and math. This is a graph. I made a graph to show the results. Good job. Which part of speech is it? It's a noun. Very good. What can you see in the picture? Dates. Let's read the example. In Qatar, they eat dates with coffee. And which part of speech is it? It's a noun. Excellent. Look at this picture. From which country do you think this team is from? Look at the flag. Brazil. Very good. My favorite football team is in Brazil. It's a noun. Look at this picture. Where can you find such a beautiful building surrounded with these beautiful pink trees? It's in Asia. And this is the flag. Good job. It's Japan. Excellent. I would like to travel to Japan next spring. Which part of speech is it? It's a noun. Good job. Now, let's play a game. Now, let the fun begin. People in blank eat sushi. In graph or in Japan? Let's check. Good job. Number 2. I like to read about scientific blank in our science book. Amount, graph, Japan, or facts? Let's check. Good job. Number 3. Blank are the organized way to present information. Brazil or graphs? Let's check. Excellent answer. The blank of water is decreasing every day on our planet. What's the correct word for it? Excellent. Amount. Let's check. Good job. Let's now view our answers. Excellent. Now, look at this text. What's the first thing to attract your attention here? The picture. Very good. Do you think these boys come from the same country or from different ones? The graph also. Very good. Look at the title. It shows that we are going to read about different kinds of food from different countries. Good job. Now, what kind of text is this? It is full of facts. Excellent. So we call it a factual text. Where can we find such a text? Excellent. We can read it in books and in magazines. Good job. Let's move along. Where do you think people eat the most pasta? Let's read together and try to answer this question.
2. Where do you think people eat the most pasta? Read.
Food facts from around the world. Not all people like the same kind of food, and not all people eat the same amount of the same food. People in some countries eat a lot of rice because it grows there. In other countries, people eat more fish because their country is near the sea. For example, people in Italy eat a lot of pasta. Let's look at this graph about how much pasta people in different countries eat every year. Interesting world food facts. In Japan, people eat a lot of rice and vegetables and only a little meat. People in the USA eat the most ice cream in the world. In Brazil, the most popular pizza has got peas on it. People in China eat the most fish. The British drink the most tea. The most popular tea in Qatar is Karak tea. Dates are the fruit people in Qatar grow the most.
Now that we have read, where do you think people eat the most pasta? Very good. In Italy. In Italy, people eat a lot of pasta. Now, let's read again, but this time we're going to look for details to answer more questions. Let's look for the key words of the question and justify our answers by highlighting them in the text. Pause the video so that you can find the answer of the question. First paragraph. Why do people in some countries eat a lot of rice? The answer? We're going to look for the words eat a lot of rice. Very good. So, people in some countries eat a lot of rice because they grow it there. Why do people in some countries eat a lot of fish? Let's look for the words eat a lot of fish in the text. Excellent. So the answer is people in some countries eat a lot of fish because they live by the sea. Don't forget to highlight your answer. Which people eat the most ice cream? people in the USA eat the most ice cream? Which fruit do people in Qatar grow the most? People in Qatar grow dates the most. Good job. Now, let's read the graph together. Where do you think people eat the least pasta? We have agreed that people in Italy eat the most pasta because the column of Italy in this graph is the highest. The question here, where do you think people eat the least pasta? So we're going to look for the smallest column in the graph. Excellent job! In Japan, people eat the least pasta. Good answer. Now, let's read again and match the countries with the food or drink. We have countries in here, and we have pictures of different foods. We will have to match the name of the country with the related food. Let's do the first example together. The UK. Which food or drink is the UK famous for? Ice cream, fish, tea, rice with vegetables, dates with Arabic coffee, or pasta? Very good. The British drink the most tea. So the answer is C. Excellent. Now, I need you to pause the video for 2 minutes only. Then, come back to me and let's check our answers together. Welcome back. People in Italy eat a lot of pasta. Good job. People in Qatar. Excellent. Dates are the fruit people in Qatar grow the most. Number 4. In China, people eat the most fish. Excellent. Number 5. People in the USA eat the most ice cream in the world. Good job. Number 6. In Japan, people eat a lot of rice and vegetables and only a little meat. Excellent. Let's move on. After we read about different food facts of different countries, let's discuss the national food of our beloved Qatar. Which food do people in Qatar eat the most? What kind of food do people in Qatar serve during festivals? And what is your favorite food? Have a moment to think of these questions. In Qatar, majboos is the food that people eat the most. You can eat it with lamb or chicken. During festivals, people serve haris, majboos, and madruba. My favorite food is haris. Good job, grade 5. Excellent. Project work. Use the internet to find information about what people eat the most in different countries. Select the information you think is interesting and use it to make a poster. Present your poster to the class in the next lesson, or if you are learning online, post it on your team's channel. Let's do an example. Let's do an example together. Food around the world. I would like to travel to Turkey, so I searched for information about the country. In Turkey, the popular dish is shish kebab. It is served with grilled onions. Turkish people are very famous with their mouth-watering pistachio baklava served with vanilla ice cream. Then I did a poster about Kuwait. In Kuwait, mutabbak samak is the most popular food there. It is cooked with zubaydi fish and served with spicy rice, vegetables, and salona. During festivals, people serve the delicious lukaimat with Arabic coffee. I felt that Kuwait is very similar to Qatar. What do you think, grade 5? Choose a country that you really like and make a beautiful poster about it and bring it to class to discuss it together. It's been a lovely lesson. Today, we have first learned 6 new words and used them correctly. Second, got the main idea and answered one question. Then, we have located some details and answered comprehension questions. Thank you, grade 5.